my feet. One thought remains supremely sweet. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. What need I fear when thou art near, and thinkest, Lord, of me? The care of life come thronging fast upon my soul. Their shadows cast, their gloom reminds my heart at last. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. What need I fear when thou art near, and thinkest, Lord, of me? Let shadows come, let shadows go. Let life be bright or dark with woe. I am content, for this I know. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. What need I fear when thou art near? Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. What need I fear when thou art near, and thinkest, Lord, of me? By the promise of the Father comes a spirit from on high, into hearts laid deemed from evil, by His power to sanctify. Holy Spirit, faithful teacher, in my trusting heart abide. By thy sacred holy presence, be my comforter and guide. Lightning there without a rival, paradise is now restored. Perfect peace, abiding pleasure, bliss the world cannot afford. Holy Spirit, Comforter abideth, not my spirit can molest. I am sanctified and